so it took way more than a couple of hours. It's a little bit after 11. I just finished. This is the final product. I'm super, super excited about it. I did record the placement of it so I can put on my YouTube channel. This is gonna be part 1 of just putting up the wallpaper. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit up the second wall to do that, but I'm super happy. There was a lot of challenges, there were a lot of wins, but all in all, it looks great and I'm happy. So I just wanted you to see that progress. Looks great. Yeah, and I'll keep you posted. Bye.